Take it.
This is skating tips from a retard. So first thing, a lot of people, like, how you know which way you, what foot's forward. First thing on a skateboard, feel which way is more comfortable, like right forward or left forward. And then also another way is to tell what foot you use to go up the first step of the stairs. I use my left, so I'm left foot forward. That's not stairs. And when you're left forward, you want to push. You want to keep your front foot down. You want to push with your back foot. This is called mongo. You don't want to do that. I'm talking to you there, Tristan.
Shut the fuck up.
And yeah, you want to skate with your foot in front. I mean, you can skate mongo. I'm not stopping you from doing it, but
You just have more control of your board when you skate regular. Even though I skate mongo.
okay, you want to. First trick you should learn is probably a shove it. And it's a pretty easy trick. Come over here so you can see my foot. Okay, the foot placement's gonna look like this if you're left before.
This is the ball.
Okay. There's no trucks on this too, so I don't want to wake my parents up. You're gonna feel like you're dead. That's how you shove it. Be right off. Okay. Here.
And also, if you're a starter for shove it, it's good to have just a deck instead of a real board.
Yeah, and do it on the carpet. Here's an ollie. It's gonna be really hard to do on this board. Oh shit, sorry, that was like a heel flip. Sorry. That's like an ollie.
Just ollie on my board.
I know, but I don't think my parents. And, okay. That's it, basically. Looks like that, but you can do a lot higher with wheels and not carpet. So, here. And also, you want to get really comfortable on your board. Ride around a lot. I did this to get comfortable on the board. Once you can do this, you pretty much plan the board. So, yeah. We'll be back with another video.